Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at the Chime Credit Builder and ask, is it really a credit card? In order to do so, here we are at chime.com and we're on the credit builder page. Here you can come to enter your email and apply online. And there's some more information here about the credit builder. So essentially, the Chime Credit Builder Visa Secured Credit Card is designed to help individuals build credit. However, it requires a security deposit, which becomes the credit limit, and it does not charge annual fees, interest, or require a credit check to apply. The card encourages regular on-time payments to help improve credit scores with an average FICO score increase of 30% over time. So essentially, if you're looking for a card that is going to help you build your credit score, the Chime Credit Builder Visa Secured Credit Card could be a good idea. So if you're struggling with your credit and you want to start building your credit, then this is a way that you can do that. You can use your own money to set the credit limit, and then you could start making purchases and making your payments, and the Chime Credit Builder can help you do exactly that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.